everyone, today we are going to prepare Shankaranti special Nuvvela pulagam recipe in 20 cm low. Let's see how to prepare. Now open the lid. Add 1 cup of rice. Add 3 cups of water. Now add 3/4 cup of jaggery. Now close the pot with a quick soft line. Switch on the flame. Set audio thumb at soft window for 2 minutes. Heat up the pot on highest heat until soft window. Cooking is completed. Switch off the flame. Switch off the audio thumb and remove. Allow the pot to depressurize by itself. Now the pot is depressurized. Now open the lid. Now add 1/4 cup of sesame seeds powder. Add ilachi. Add dry fruits. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now switch on the flame. Mix well. Now close the lid and cook for 1 minute. Cooking is completed. Switch off the flame. Nuvvela pulagam recipe is ready.